Hello everyone, it's your favorite queen, Android 18 here, and today I'm going to be reacting to a video called TradeChat Burping Compilation, and this sounds kind of funny, and this was recommended by Cutie Burping Girl 95, and yeah, she has been asking for this for so long in all of my videos, and I mean all of them, and yeah, I thought I'd finally react to it for her. And yeah, this seems interesting. I don't really know what to expect except for burping. And I'm guessing TradeChat's some sort of World of Warcraft YouTuber. I haven't actually watched her before. However, from just like getting the video ready, I can see that there's a World of Warcraft Mists of Pandaria poster in the background. So yeah, I play World of Warcraft, so maybe I'll get something out of this. Also, TradeChat's a thing in WoW, so yeah. Also, I just want to say that if you guys want me to react to her things, please type it in the comments. Like, obviously I prefer Dragon Ball related things, but I like to branch out and react to anything, really. Also, if you want to join my Discord, the link to it is in the description, as well as the link to the original video that I'm going to be watching today. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this interesting video.
Jeez, I'm criminy.
Oh, she's cute. She's very pretty. Oh gosh.
Not okay. Never okay.
Yeah, not okay. Wow.
Oh my.
Oh
God.
gosh, what has she been eating?
Never. I'm all sorts of fucked up.
She doesn't really care, does she?
Really like to see that.
Oh, at least she's acknowledging it. It's a compilation, so I don't think the sorry is gonna matter.
I would give that out.
I feel like she's forcing them out. It's kind of gross. I love her hair though.
Shit, man.
I feel like it's some sort of meme on her channel, probably.
As well as a
That was a funny blooper. She's just like, fuck.
Ugh.
Yeah, ooh.
Absolutely ridiculous.
Yeah.
Viewfinder makes everything look really intense.
Krillin doesn't do that. Maren won't watch this because it's not good etiquette for a lady. She's kind of cute, but it's kind of funny because you don't expect it from her.
This one was...
Oh my gosh. I just want to know what her diet is. It reminds me of something Goku would do.
That I am.
Like after he's eaten like loads of stuff. Oh my gosh. Half of them sound fake. It sounds like something's trying to crawl out of her mouth. Like a troll's inside of her.
If you want to read a
I was just having a drink and force of nature.
America.
I guess she's right. Oh well, this blinking's kind of seizure inducing. It's not that great. I might have a slight warning at the beginning now. If I remember. I love the way her friend is just used to it. she's had enough of it.
I'm sorry, I'm gassy.
I feel like some of them are genuine and some of them kind of aren't. She's just like getting rid of her gas. It's kind of gross, but it's funny at the same time.
Excuse me, I did have to burp.
I love it the way she like dresses up and looks really cute and then she just starts burping. Hey, there's My Little Pony in the background.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, that reminds me of Smile HD. That's both a good and a bad thing.
Wow, I have... I'm so sorry.
I should use the Dragon Balls to cure her burping. I think that one was genuine.
So you feeding anybody?
She's getting the jiggly fan service though and bouncing up and down.
It's all fancy.
She's very pretty though. I will say that, and I really like her hair.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
I'll have to look up this YouTuber. I've actually not seen her before. She seems popular if someone's made a compilation.
Yeah.
It's kind of half burping, half messing around.
Wait.
Hiccuburps.
Excuse me.
Hey.
Oh my gosh.
It's like she's gonna blow up.
Jeez. I love you all. You're my heart. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Hey, Pikachu. I love Pikachu. Oh gosh. I feel like I'm gonna get cursed and burp in this video.
I swear.
I normally try and do them quietly if I ever do them. It's got a cute little panda thing on. She's trying to be all heartfelt and then she just starts burping. She looks so upset then. Oh wow, she's got a meter. Oh my gosh, really? I just want to know what this girl drinks. Or eats. Like, what could induce this much burping on a constant basis? I know it's a compilation, but jeez. It's definitely a meme of some sort. She does it on purpose.
It's two, which.
You can just tell. Hey, it's Wrath the Lich King.
Excuse me.
The Lost Dirt. Whatever that is.
Sorry, I don't.
At least she is sorry, kind of. But she'll just keep doing it. Okay, that's the end of the video. That was interesting to say the least. I don't really know what I expected, to be honest. It had a lot more, like, other stuff than I expected as well. Like, funny reactions. And just her reactions to, like, what was trying to come out of her, I guess. I don't know how to describe it. I think you guys get it. But, yeah, that was interesting. If you want me to react to more, kind of strange videos, let me know and comment below on what you want me to react to. Also, shout out to Cutie Burping Girl 95, because, yeah, she really wanted me to react to this. And I was going to bring this out sooner, but I got sick, so, yeah. But yeah, I do read comments and stuff, so... But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button, support the original video, link is in the description, and also, don't forget everyone, subscribe to me, because I'm definitely 18.